Is oil about to set up another bull run? Let's check this out real quick and comment down below if you guys prefer me to keep this under 40 seconds on the shorts, YouTube shorts. Anyways, so here you have oil on the daily time frame. You guys are heading down, but you guys can see we are starting to fight the direction just a little bit. Although oil is pretty news line driven, you guys can still predict where it goes, like up over here. You guys are currently almost done filling this gap that is down here. Beautiful. Although you guys are having a very large run, and if you guys don't know what I talk about on this channel, check out the other videos. But just because you're here, the market moves in kind of a rubber band style. It runs, so it stretches over band, and then it snaps back. For those of you that like technicals, a whole bunch of expansion then turns into consolidation, which then turns back into expansion. Your two little market type moves right there. And then you guys can see that here. You guys have the consolidation here, and then it broke down, and you have expansion. You learned something new today. Congratulations. If you didn't, you got a review for free. And now you guys are just waiting for it to come back up. Although if you break down below this bar right here, which had the gap, that means you guys will probably head down and hit the price target. But let's not get too carried away. I would just be very careful managing this trade because you guys were above the 200-day moving average, which is a directional indicator. Doesn't tell you when to get in or get out. It only tells you which direction you should be trading. For example, up here, trade up. Down below, trade down. Simple. Since you guys are like, oh, but it's coming from up to down, it means it still has some, you can say, wants to bounce back up where it came from. And that is all. I can actually draw it out for you so you can visualize for you visual learners if I can find my paintbrush. So first, come down. We might see a little bit of consolidation. If you guys don't remember last year in, I think, April, or was it earlier this year on the S&P 500? Maybe I'll pull it up later. But it came down, consolidated, and then you guys can come back above the 200-day moving average and then run back up. How big will the run be? No idea. I need the consolidation part first so then I can get some type of price target like up over here. That's how this price target was drawn. Other than that, just keep an eye out, and I will see you guys again Wednesday.